Yes, good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a full update on Bitcoin. We'll talk a little bit about what happened yesterday. We had quite a, well, I wouldn't call it a crash, but we had quite a big drop. I mean, if you were there, most other cryptos actually dropped down even further. And it did feel like a little crash at least. But there's a chance that we will actually drop down further. So that's what I wanted to talk about, and just in general we'll do a full update, right? So that you are optimally prepared for this weekend, and also a little bit for next week as well. So that's what we'll do in this video. We'll start off with a brief recap because this move was actually predicted if you watched my Bitcoin video yesterday. So we'll start off with a brief recap, but before we get into Bitcoin specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals, as you can see also from the top, I'm a full-time trader and I have my own signal group. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. So now, onto Bitcoin. So basically what we said yesterday is that it looked like we were in the middle of this move, right? So we were in this candle. It looked like we were about to have a bearish breakout because we had a bullish breakout on Thursday evening. We broke out above 31,400 and 31,300. And yesterday we broke down below that. So what I said is that we'll probably take a bullish break retest. So we'll retest the level and then we'll start dropping down again, because then technically we are back into this consolidation, which is now the case. We are in this consolidation. Pretty strong consolidation. I don't necessarily expect a bearish breakout. We will talk about the possibility of that a little bit later. But altogether, we're back in that consolidation, and as most of you do know, is I think we have a structure like this in terms of the Elliott wave theory. So I do think that at some point of time, we will be able to still rally up to 34 and 35,000. That's what I expect. Now, it almost looked like we were about to do that yesterday and the day before, but as you can see also from the daily time frame, we did not get a bullish breakout there. So, or a fake out, depending on where your key level is. So now we're back in that consolidation, and now the bigger question is well, first of all, it's weekend, so we'll probably not see that much movement. But the bigger question is can we actually stay in this consolidation? Because now our main support level is right here at 29,550 and 29,700. I do think at this point of time that we will actually retest that level, and I do think we will hold that, all right? So that we will find support from there, and that from there we'll slowly move up towards 31,400 again. And by the way, this move yesterday was also, I forgot to say that, but it almost was too much money, too much movement in a very small period of time. So I also do think that it was institutions and large market makers dumping their positions, which happens more often on Friday, which is always why I don't really like trading on Friday, just so you know. But apart from that, I do think we can actually hold this consolidation and do something like this. Now, there's a chance though, since we have actually seen the inception of those large traders and market makers, institutions, whatever you want to call them, since we saw them selling their positions actively for maybe not the first time, but the first time where it actually happened pretty quickly, and obviously, there is a chance that we will not be able to hold this level right here at 29,600, and that we'll get a pullback down to 28,800 before going up to 34,000, because that is something I still do expect. So there's a slight possibility of that. At this point in time, I would say it's only 10%, but I thought I would introduce it to you just so that you are prepared for it, for if it actually comes. Because I do think a buy from this area at the 382 FIB, which right now is at around 28,900, I do think that would be an amazing buy. But alright, that's my view on Bitcoin for this weekend. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. Consider subscribing if you'd like more analysis like these on several cryptocurrencies. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.